Fine mineral powder refers to natural or through crushing, grinding, mineral processing into mineral powder. It is very necessary to carry out daily maintenance of fine powder ball press in the process of use. Regular maintenance should be carried out for fine powder ball press itself, and the performance of each component should be checked frequently. Small problems should be solved in time, so as not to cause big accidents and damage to the machine. Operators should also master the solutions to common faults. Scientific use can make the fine powder ball press for a long time to work. For the pressing of different materials, to choose the right type of ball press, choose the right ball press equipment. These materials want to achieve the desired shape is very difficult.